welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to create a red smoky eye look. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So I have already prepped my face and I have applied the foundation and I have already done my eyebrows off the camera. So let's start with the concealing my face and the under eye area. So for the concealer, I'm taking my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So I'm applying the concealer on the dark areas of my face, like the under eye area, on the lid of my eye, on the corner of my lips, around the nose, because this is the area where I usually get red, and some of the pimple marks which I want to hide. I'm taking a small wet beauty blender. I'm going to just dab the concealer in. I'm also applying a little on my forehead, a very little. Now I'm going to take my favorite Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and I'm going to bake my under eye area. So I'm just taking this small beauty blender and baking my under eye. I'm gonna let this loose powder sit on my under eye area and let it bake. So after that, I'm going to take my favorite eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution, and this is the eyeshadow palette by Petra. So I'm going to create a red smoky eye, as I told you guys. This is how this palette looks and it has beautiful shades, as you can see. I've also reviewed this palette. If you haven't watched my video, please do watch it. I'll share the link in the description down below. So first I'm going to select a banana milk shade and I'm going to set my concealer. So I'm taking this candy apple red shade and I'm going to apply it into my crease with the help of this blending brush. This eyeshadow is really pigmented, guys, as you can see how the color is popping up. Take a lot of time in blending so that no harsh line appears. I'm taking the same shade, I'm going to apply in my lower lash line as well. After this, I'm taking a all black things from this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to apply it in my outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to pack this golden color into my lid. See, I'm packing the foil eyeshadow with the help of a wet brush, and you can see how beautiful this golden color looks already. I'm going to blend all the colors with the help of the red, which will define my crease. With the help of a powder brush, I'm going to dust off any excess fallouts. Once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to apply my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So I've applied my mascara. After that, I'm going to apply this kajal by Maybelline. This is the tattoo kajal. This in my waterline. So I've applied the kajal in my waterline and I'm just going to brush my lower lash line again. I'm going to smoke out my eyes as well. After this, I'm going to contour my face, and today I'm using my a very new palette by Makeup Revolution. This is their Glow Cheek palette. So I'm going to bronze my face with the darkest shade available in this palette. And I'm going to take my contouring brush by Miniso. The same palette, and I'm going to take this highlighter and apply it on my face. I'm done bronzing my face. Now I'm going to line my lip with this lip liner from Color Bar. I'm going to fill my lips with this Sugar Smudge Me Not Mini lipstick. From the day I've got this lipstick by Sugar, I have fallen in love with this shade, and the formula is so good. It is matte like hell, and it does not move for even for more than 12 hours. Even if you eat or if you drink anything, it is absolutely transfer proof. I'm going to apply a little blush on my face because without a blush, I don't feel like the look is complete. That's it for this red smoky eye look. I hope you enjoyed me creating this makeup look, and let me know in the comment section down below if you like this look or not, or should I do it in some other way. And yes, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I'm updating a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.